Action Camera Review. Want to relive your adventures like you're right there again? An action camera is your best ally. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just love capturing the thrill of the moment, these cameras bring every detail to life in stunning high definition. The market is packed with action cameras. In 2025, we've seen a wave of exciting new releases, from trusted names to bold newcomers. With so many choices, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. So, which one truly delivers? Looks alone aren't enough. You need a camera that fits your lifestyle. Durable, weather-resistant, and sharp, even in tough conditions. That's why we tested and compared some of the best action cameras of the year. We looked at top players like GoPro, DJI, and Akaso. The GoPro Hero12, for instance, offers 5.3K resolution with industry-leading stabilization. The DJI Osmo Action 5 stands out with 160-meter waterproofing and a front-facing screen that's perfect for vlogging on the go. More budget-friendly options like the Insta360 GO 3 and Akaso EK7000 Pro also impressed us, combining 4K resolution with strong performance and value. But one camera rose above the rest. Our top pick for best action camera of 2025 is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It nails the balance between stabilization, durability, image quality, and most importantly, price. So if you're looking for the perfect camera to capture your next adventure in epic detail, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is hard to beat. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear comparisons. Links to all the cameras are in the description.